Greetings, fellow science lovers. Are you the next Mendeleev of chemistry? Show your mastery of the periodic table and prove you are the Mendeleev of chemistry. Let's subscribe to Chemistroland and begin Ultimate Periodic Table Quiz. What is the abbreviation for the periodic table? PT is the abbreviation of the periodic table. Total elements of modern periodic table are 118 elements. Can you name the king element of periodic table? Carbon is the king element. Element name after the creator of periodic table is Yes, Mendelevium is the element name after Mendeleev. Naturally occurring elements are The right answer is 94. Horizontal rows of periodic table are known as Yes, periods are called the horizontal rows. What about the term for vertical columns? Vertical columns are known as groups. What about the number of blocks? Yes, it has 4 blocks. Modern periodic table is based on increasing Right answer is atomic number. SPDF in the periodic table are SPDF are blocks. Valence electrons remain same down the group. Is this statement true or false? Yes, it's true. Elements in the same period have the same number of electron shells is the correct answer. Elements placed on the left side of periodic table are mostly metals are placed on the left side of the periodic table. What is the periodicity in the periodic table? Yes, it is. Pattern means something repeats after fixed interval. Here is tricky question. New period row is equal to new. Shell is the correct answer. In the periodic table, nonmetals are placed in P block. 3/4 of elements in the periodic table are metals are the 3/4 of the elements. What kind of atom becomes cation? Metals convert into cations after leaving electrons. Elements of group 1 are called alkali metals. Only gaseous element in group 1 is hydrogen is the only gaseous element in group 1. Why alkali metals stored under the oil? The reason is they react with air and water very easily. Element with zero neutron is known as it's hydrogen. The disputed element of the periodic table is of course, it's hydrogen. Number of valence electrons in alkali metals. Only one electron is present in the valence shell of group 1. What group is this element found in? This is sodium, found in the group 1. Find the atomic number using the electronic configuration. Atomic number 19. Can you identify the element having atomic number 19? This configuration belongs to potassium. Atomic number of elements equal to atomic number shows the number of protons or electrons. Now, what is the atomic number of element with configuration 5s1? Yes, it is rubidium, having the atomic number 37. Choose the electronic configuration of sodium. Option C is the right answer. The oxidation number of 1A elements is it is +1. The biggest element in group 1A? The right answer is francium. Elements of group 2 are called alkaline earth metals. Block where group 2 elements are located. Yes, group 2A resided in S block. Can you guess the first element of group 2A? Beryllium is the first element of group 2A. Number of valence electrons in group 2A are they contain 2 valence electrons. What kind of cation alkaline earth metals form? The right answer is divalent cation. Do you know the electronic configuration for group 2A's valence electrons? It is Ns2. Any idea about kind of bonding group 2A elements forms? Group 2A elements form ionic bonding. What about group 2A's elements reactivity moving down the group? Reactivity increases down the group. The electronic configuration of calcium ion is one N2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Group 3A is known as it is known as boron family. Boron name is derived from the Arabic word. It is derived from burak. Boron is unique in its family because it is metalloid. Any guess about the number of member elements in boron family? It is having 6 members. K2, L8, M3 is the electronic configuration of... Great, it's aluminium. Number of protons for the element indium, having atomic number 49, are... Number of protons are 49, same as atomic number. The only liquid metal of group 3A at room temperature is... The right answer is gallium. King element carbon resided in... It is resided in group 4A. The common oxidation state for group 4 elements is +4. Is this true or false? Yes, it's true. Element used as standard for atomic mass unit. Carbon-12. Can you name carbon-based branch of chemistry? Organic chemistry. The elements of group 4A react with water. Is this true or false? It is false statement. Correct one is, they don't react with water. Only non-metal element in carbon family is... It's carbon. Nitrogen family, also known as... Pnictogen, is another name of nitrogen family. What is the atomic number of element having electronic configuration 2p3? Atomic number is 7, and element is nitrogen. Name the element of 5A group, commonly used in matches and fireworks. Phosphorus is the right answer. Most metallic element of nitrogen family is... Bismuth. How many electron shells does phosphorus have? Three electron shells. Common name of group 6A is? Oxygen family. What is the special name of oxygen family? Chalcogen is another name of oxygen family. Any idea about the only metal of 6A group? It is polonium. What element of 6A group is a gas? Brilliant, it's oxygen. How many bonds does 6A group make? Two bonds. Group 6A form a -2 charge to follow what? Octet rule. Most active non-metal group of the periodic table is? Halogens are most active group. What is the atomic number of element having the configuration 3p5? Atomic number 17 and element is chlorine. Number of electrons required by halogens to complete an octet? One electron. The term halogens means salt formers. Group 7A's purple-colored element is? Iodine is purple-colored element. Only liquid element of group 7A is bromine. Halogens are electron hunger, which defines electronegativity is a chemical term used for electron hunger elements. And most hungry means the most electronegative element of periodic table is fluorine is the most electronegative element. Royal family of periodic table is also known as? Noble gases. The valency of royal family elements is? Zero valency. If the valency is 0, the number of valence electrons are eight valence electrons. The zero valency of 8th group makes it them inert. The inert nature of group 8A is responsible for making it human-friendly. Members of group 8A live their life? They live lonely. Configuration of helium is 1s2, but it is not in s block. They are having stable configuration in group 2. The middle block of the periodic table is called it is D block. The D block elements are also known as transition elements. The D block consists of elements in it consists of 4 rows. Transition elements owe their position in periodic table to the filling of the d orbitals. Transition metals often exhibit variable oxidation states. Partially filled d orbital. Many of transition metals form colorful, complex compounds. D transitions. In the D block, transition from non-metallic characters to metallic characters take place. Are you agreed with this statement? It is false. The correct statement is, in D block, transition takes place from metallic characters to non-metallic characters. The reason is they are resided in between S block and P block elements. Zinc, cadmium, and mercury are not regarded as transition metals. Is it true or false? Yes, it's true. Many of transition metals involve in catalytic activity. Is it true or false? This statement is true. Can you guess which transition metal is the most paramagnetic in its bivalent ion? Manganese ion. Any idea about which one of the following is a transition element? Molybdenum. Any idea about what kind of bond do the transition elements form with themselves? They form metallic bond. Choose the right electronic configuration for the chromium. Option 2 is the right answer. The lanthanide series and the actinide series are combinedly called all terms are right. In inner transition elements, the last electrons are received by F orbital. F orbital can occupy how many electrons? It can occupy 14 electrons. 14 elements in the sixth period that are filling 4F sublevel are known as lanthanides. Elements in the actinide series are radioactive in nature. Are you agreed with this statement? Yes, it's true. A radioactive element used in nuclear reactors and bombs is uranium is used in nuclear reactors and bombs. Only radioactive element among the lanthanides is it is promethium. Thanks for watching video. Do subscribe to Chemistroland. See you next time. Bye-bye, friends.